In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're putting together a quick budget or summarizing sales, this walkthrough will show you the most reliable way to multiply values and reuse the same setup across your sheet. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. Picking the destination first keeps your sheet organized and ensures the calculation lands exactly where you expect. Next, move your cursor to the formula bar at the top of the screen. You can type formulas directly in a cell, but the formula bar gives you a clearer view, which is especially helpful when you're working with more than two references. Now, build the multiplication. Begin with an equals sign, then reference the first cell you want to include by clicking it. Type the multiplication symbol, the asterisk, and then click the second cell. If you need to multiply more than two cells, keep adding the asterisk followed by another cell reference. Clicking the cells instead of typing their addresses reduces typos and makes it easier to see what's included. Press Enter to calculate. The product appears immediately in your selected cell, and the formula stays in the formula bar so you can review or edit it later. If you see an unexpected result or an error, double-check that you reference the correct cells and that each one contains a valid number. To apply the same multiplication to a list, use the Fill handle. Hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of the result cell until your cursor changes, then drag down a column or across a row. Google Sheets automatically adjusts the references for each new line, so each row uses its own matching cells without any extra work. If you make a mistake, don't worry, use Undo and adjust the selection in the formula bar, then confirm again. On most keyboards, the asterisk is Shift+8 and a numeric keypad has its own key. Google Sheets also ignores extra spaces in formulas, so readability won't break your math. Finally, make sure every referenced cell holds a number. Values stored as text, blank cells, or entries with stray characters can cause errors or give you zeros. If you notice numbers aligned like text, remove any leading spaces or symbols and enter them as standard numbers. Consistent formatting will make your multiplications accurate and dependable. That's it. You've multiplied cells, filled the result across your data, and verified your inputs. Save your sheet, and you're ready to move on with your analysis.